What can cause an AC electric motor to run too fast? Excessive applied voltage or shorted field windings? What tool is used to check a motor or generator armature for shorts and opens under load conditions? A growler. When using a growler, what indication will occur when a short exits between an armature segment? When a metal blade is held over the armature and a short exists in a segment, the blade will begin to vibrate and chatter. How is the output voltage of an alternator controlled? By varying the field current that excites the alternator. What instruments are used to monitor electrical system loads? Ammeters and voltmeters. How would you identify a specific wire in a wire bundle? By the identification code marked on the wire. What tool would you use to determine the size of an unmarked wire, a wire gauge? What color are the navigation lights on the wingtips? The left wingtip is red, the right is green. Name several types of electrical devices that would be considered intermittent loads on an electrical system. Landing gear, cowl and wing flap monitors, radio transmitters. Why would it be necessary to analyze an electrical system before increasing the load on the system? To determine that the generator capacity, wire size, and protective device capacity will not be exceeded. What factors should be considered when determining the wire size for a particular application? The system voltage, permissible voltage drop, current to be carried, wire length, and whether the load is continuous or intermittent. What is the relationship between the inside diameter of a conduit and the outside diameter of the wire bundle inside of it? The conduit must be 25% larger than the wire bundle. What is the max number of terminal lugs that can be placed in a single terminal strip stud? 4. What is the proper length for a bonding jumper? As short as practical, but long enough to allow free movement of the component. Under what conditions must a switch be derated from its nominal rating? When used with inductive circuits with high inrush current, and with DC motors. At what point do electric motors draw the most current? When starting. Circuit breakers are designed to open before what condition occurs? Before the wire emits smoke. At what point in a circuit should the protective device be located? As close to the power source as possible. What type of circuit breaker may not be used in an aircraft? An automatic resetting type. What part of an aircraft is identified by a white navigation light? The tail. What can cause an AC electric motor to run too slowly? Lack of lubrication, defective wiring, or low applied voltage? What should be done when making bonding or grounding connections between dissimilar materials? Use a suitable washer so that any corrosion will occur on the washer. Prior to making a continuity check, what must be done to an electrical circuit? The power must be turned off.